Yeah, just dolphins at the start before breakfast. I don't know if I can zoom in on this.
30 on the 20th of July.
Right, well,
Oh!
Cool!
Oh!
Well, I'm not seeing this, I'm just seeing it through the camera. G'day Transcestors, this is somewhere off Ullapool.
Lock, is it?
No, this is, I don't know.
Lock somewhere else.
Oh, the dolphins come back, they're just ahead. Oh, I'm going to turn it with right. Do you want to swap places?
How many do you reckon's there?
12.
What do you want to swap, please?
Okay, do you want to narrate this, Dave? This is Dave getting us breakfast.
What do you want, mackerel or spam?
Mackerel, there's gannet above us as well. Danny, gannet just above your head.
Yeah. Baby. Well, do you know what they heard us? The psychic, they heard us say if we want to get fish, we'd go in front of them. And we were in front of them then, we started that fish. I took the hook out the water.